seen it here before. Freddy's, frozen custard, and Steakburgers. Might be kind of like Clover's.
Yeah.
Got frozen custard, Chicago dog, patty melt. Interesting. Let's see, we got getting hungry on this drive. Let's try this new place.
Another burger for Glenn.
Is anybody out there trying to
I think I start cooking burger for you. Different kinds of burger. What do you think?
burger of the week?
Yeah, one burger a week. What do you think? So good.
Freddy's a
Oh, I want fish and chip. I want fish and chip.
Ooh, always get fish. Double cheese, steak burger, California. Whoa, look at that. That's
Steak burger from Freddys.
It's 2 times size the bun here.
Steak burger and my fish.
Where are we? We are at Freddy's Steakburger. We are at 14165 Highway 13, Savage, Minnesota. If you're wondering where you can find it. Look at the French fries. They're like little crinkle French fries, then seasoned. Oh, it's different. There we go. I kinda like those French fries. They're dead, but they got nice seasoning on them. Here's the burger, guys. That is. This is. Pickle, mustard, bacon, big patty.
I just use all my fish sandwich. What is that?
Good. One big burger. Wow.
Now you know, guys. American lobster burger.
Definitely need napkins for this one, boy. Oh. Look at that. Onion, pickle, mustard. What kind of sauce do you got there?
Full of French fries.
Oh. What's that? Like a mayo and ketchup together, or what is that? Fry sauce. Freddy's famous fry sauce. That's interesting.
Like an aioli.
Has anybody out there tried Freddy's Steakburgers? First time I've seen it. Came through a couple weeks ago and I went by it. Accidentally turned in here and I noticed it, so figured since we're in the area, give it a try. I like those fries. The sauce is good though. What was that? Sandwich. Good? Quality fish sandwich? My wife always gets a fish sandwich. Or a chicken sandwich. One of the two. Oh, I like this one. It's kind of messy though.
Right.
Careful. It's dripping everywhere.
It's not, it don't taste like burger.
Let's see. Smell right? You can smell the difference, right? More of a quality burger. Kind of like similar to Clover though, right? The way its patty is smashed down, it's kind of like Clover's, but bigger. This was Evelyn did. She just got the fish sandwich and my meal, so it's 12. Not too bad.
$15.
The fries are really seasoned.
It's salty.
A little bit over salted,
I
but
don't like salty.
they're a little bit salted.
Bye.
Okay. I like Freddy. A little bit of a different. Usually we go to Clover since that's our favorite one. But this one definitely similar in some ways. Fries are kind of like a Arby's, right? The Kringle, what are they called? Kringle fries. Crunchy pickle.
Salty. It's salty.
A little too much season for you?
Too much salt.
Some are a little bit more than others, I guess. Not sure if they're always seasoned that much or just depends. I think the burger is a little bit on the salty side, actually. Definitely not scared of seasoning. Which can be good or bad, I guess. So you get all your vegetables from the Oriental store now?
Sure, it's a gloomy day today.
Well, at least the snow stopped.
We're eating again, guys. I think that's our content. Eating.
Well, that's what everybody's got to do a couple times a day. 2 or 3 times a day. Sometimes more, sometimes less. Well, they even put a lot of seasoning on the burger.
No.
Extra. In some spots. Well, I think if you're high in sodium, maybe you want to avoid here the pre-season things, but if you ain't got a problem with sodium, you might like it. Kind of nice to try different places though.
To give you an idea, maybe once a week I'll create a burger.
Oh, boy, I put a lot of mustard.
How about creating a burger once a week?
Like the one I made the other day.
Or twice a month. On the road again. Can't wait to get on the road again.
On the road again. Can't wait to get on the road again.
Ano?
A little.
No,
Definitely aggressive seasoning.
Not the burger, the fries.
The burger, I feel a little bit seasoning.
I still prepare. I
Yeah.
still prepare.
Yeah, I think Clover's got perfect balance, I think.
Mm-hmm.
Then, I'd like to try something new anyway, but maybe I don't season it all the time this much, but you don't know if you don't try it.
Yeah. You wanna eat our
We'll see
burger?
you guys later on.